update. We are in Jeju. There's a beautiful dog here.
And our tummies are full.
Our tummies are satisfied.
And Haley is satisfied.
And we have a 45-minute drive to our Airbnb after this, but we're excited
To be in Jeju.
Yeah, to
We're
be
excited
here.
for our Airbnb.
In 600 meters. Series of speed bumps.
Wow,
Is it this?
look at how cute it is.
Leave it. What's this?
Okay, this is so cute. Whoa, that's so awesome. Daddy came back from grocery shopping.
What is that?
Silkung.
Demon
Silkung.
Demon Hunter.
Yeah. Got some hummus, snacks, podo. Is that chicken?
Jacob,
You guys got chicken?
Eddie got chicken. We
Nice.
went to the chicken place because it was a second stop.
And Jeju girl.
Some eggs and milk. Milk's right there.
Okay, thank you, Daddy. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, Hammy. Let's peel one and try it.
Yeah, there's no pads, you know that, right?
Okay.
There's a pan in here. So good. Hot.
It's pretty good. For like 3-minute microwave rice. They're pretty good. Cheongyang mayo. Shrimp chips.
He's not powerful. He cannot give up. I will just leave. Let's leave him alone.
I'm gonna eat your sister. Ah, my glasses. You can't stop me from eating moi moi. Ah.
7 meters. You'll reach your destination.
짜잔. I secured the goods.
뽀빠이. 안녕 뽀빠이. 갑자기.
깜짝이야.
깜짝이.
알아. Okay.
Okay, tell us about the horse ride.
The horse ride was fantastic. Haley loved it. I
Jacob
did
did.
not think she would like it because we tried to get her to ride a horse
Jacob
a few
looked
months
so proud
ago.
on it.
Yeah, Jacob had a blast. I think he was really...
That's true. I didn't think. I was worried Haley wouldn't get on.
Yeah, but she loved it. And then Eric turned into a horse boy. He was so adamant he didn't want to ride a horse, and then he got on and he just loved it.
I'm a horse girl.
It was fantastic. Great 15 minutes.
Jacob, did you have fun?
맛있겠다. 성게미역. 미역국.
It's raining and we were going to go to the beach, but we decided to stop off at this restaurant because it looks like there's abalone porridge, miyeokguk.
맛있겠다. 한 개만.
한 개는 안 돼요. 2개 이상이 되잖아. 그래서
네, 멸치볶음하고 저기 미역국. Do you think he'll eat 미역국?
Yeah.
Which one? 전복죽? 전복죽. Look at that.
Look who's awake and ready to eat. Just in time.
거드나?
Yeah, I'll do that. 여기 가시 있다. 어디서?
She's like half asleep.
He's always ready for food.
Mommy.
Yeah, Hami will give you
Ooh.
some.
You got bees? Want to try some juke?
남대 한번 먹어보면.
야, 고등어 하나 더 하자.
This is the same. This is like the one I got you. Upstairs, upstairs. Wait, just get that one then.
We are back here because the rain has stopped. The sun is setting, and it's the perfect time to go to the beach. It's so fine.
Jacob, come here. Come here, jump with daddy. How much was that?
Oh, if it's open, it's dead, isn't it? It's dead. Oh, the sand is endless. Woo. Okay, Jacob, you ready to race? Where are we going, Jacob? Woo! Got some water. Wow. Is it cold? Wow. Wow, the tide's coming in.